Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds EARFUN Air 2 support wireless charging? In front of me I have wireless charging station and we need to put these earbuds on it and check. So we have the LED light at the wireless charging station, but the most important, that we have it on the front side at the charging case, meaning that your charging case are charging. And my answer is yes, this earbud support wireless charging. Because of that, we can also use reverse wireless charging if your phone support this technology. You need to enable it in the settings, so we need to go to the settings, then battery. At least on stock Android I have it in the battery, and right here we have battery share. So you need to enable this mode, then turn over your phone. Right now I can do this, sorry, and then put it at your phone, and it also charging your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!